Happy Wednesday, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. It's Wednesday, August 11th. This is everything going on after the bell. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. I'm Richard Allen. In this video, we're going to talk about CPI data that was released today that has the Dow and the S&P up on the day. And then we're going to talk about earnings from Wendy's, Lordstown Motors, and also eBay. And then Open Door has reported as well. And I'm going to make a separate video about that a little bit later on because they're having a fantastic day. And it's one of my favorite companies. So we'll talk about that. But first, let's jump over and talk about the major indices here on TipRanks.com. The S&P 500 today was up 0.25%. The Dow Jones closing at another record high, up 0.62% today. Fantastic price movement there. NASDAQ down slightly, down 0.17% on the day. But here's why the major indices all did pretty well or stayed pretty flat, like for the NASDAQ, for instance. Was CPI data came out, Consumer Price Index came out, and Producer Price Index came out. And inflation wasn't as bad as we thought it was going to be. It was actually spot on. So that was exciting stuff. Overall inflation year over year stayed at 5.4%, but then month over month it dropped from 0.8 to 0.3. So that was exciting to see, and the Dow and the S&P did pretty well on that news. Another thing that's doing pretty well that I always talk about around with the major indices is Bitcoin. BTC up 2% today, back over 46,000 per coin. So fantastic price movement there for BTC. All right, the top losers and gainers in the market. We're going to cover the top losers first after the bell. Down 5% is Go Health. Down another 5% is Fisker. Down 5% as well is Rackspace Technology. And down right around 6.5% is ThreadUp. And then down almost 18% is LifeStance Health Group. My goodness. Big losers after the bell there. But look at the top gainers. Open Door, number one on the list, up almost 22% after the bell. Fantastic price movement there for Open Door. And again, I'll make a separate video on that later to talk about why they're doing so well. Ticker symbol there is OPEN. Clover Health Investments doing pretty well as well, up 8% after the bell. Sonos, ticker symbol SONO, up 6.5% after the bell. ACV Auctions, ticker symbol ACVA, up 3.7% after the bell, followed by ShareCare, SHCR, up 3.2% after the bell. So a lot of big movers after the bell today. Fantastic price movement there. All right, let's move on to Wendy's. They actually beat both on EPS and revenue. So the second quarter 2021, they had an EPS beat of 51% and a revenue beat of 6.6%. Expected EPS was 18 cents. They delivered 27 cents. Expected revenue was 462 million. They delivered 493 million. So good earnings there for Wendy's, and because of that, they were up 3.7% today for ticker symbol WEN. This comes with a moderate buy based on 21 analyst ratings with an average upside of right around 16%. All right, let's move on to Lordstown, ticker symbol RIDE. They did have larger than expected EPS lost, so that wasn't that fantastic, but they said they are ready after securing a big $400 million loan, that they're ready to start ramping up production as of September. So that was good news. So even though, let's take a peek here, Lordstown Motors, ticker symbol RIDE, was down 4.29% during normal trading. They have recovered so far after the bell, up almost 7%. So ticker symbol RIDE comes with a moderate sell, but a 56% upside for the stock there. But trading around $5. I mean, if we take a peek at the charts here, guys, look at the one-year chart. I mean, this was a $30 company just back in February. That wasn't that long ago. So it has fallen very hard from those numbers. This is a stock that moves relatively quickly. So if the market starts turning around like it did last year, this is a stock that could move really fast and totally blow past that $8. But it is a stock that you can see here can fall pretty hard pretty quickly as well. So extremely volatile company. So invest at your own risk in this one. But it is good news that they did secure some money. for production. Let's jump over and talk about eBay real quick here. eBay posted net revenue better than expected and EPS better than expected as well. So net revenue was 2.7 billion versus 2.63, so a little bit of a beat there. And then EPS was 99 cents versus 94 cents expected. So big beats there. Not too bad for eBay. And eBay was actually up during normal trading, 1%, and then down after hours, 1.5%. But this still comes with a strong buy based on 5 analyst ratings with an average upside of 10.56% for eBay. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for After the Bell. Look forward to the deep dive into Open Door and their earnings. Again, one of my favorite companies. I do hold some shares of Open Door. I really like it. And I did a little swing trade recently on them as well and made some good money today. So it was exciting to see. Guys, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.